Welcome back to another workout. Today we are focusing on losing weight and getting in a good fat burn. I've lined up 11 super simple and highly effective moves that will fire up every muscle in your body. This is definitely a workout to save and add to your routine. Ready to work out with me? Let's go. For this move, we're going to move our knees up and down, and we're going to try our best to make sure that our knees touch our hand. It's okay if that hand drops down to touch the knee, but a real challenge here is to try to get those knees all the way up to the hands without the hands moving. Our arms are going to start off in T position here, and we are going to alternate tapping the opposite toe. Opposite hand goes to opposite toe, drawing in and engaging that core as we go. We're going to start off in a squat position here, and we're going to do a side bend. Alternate side bends, engaging that core as we squeeze during each bend, really engaging those core and side muscles. We're going to do a combo move here. We're going to squat, and then we're going to punch and kick out the opposite leg. Squat, punch, and leg kicks out. We're going to make sure that we really engage our core. We're breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth so we can get the most through this move.
It's not about us, you know it's not about
Starting at one end of the mat, we're going to do a squat walk and then we're going to lift the knee. Squat walk, knee lift. We're going to engage our core, really being intentional about this squat. Challenge yourself to squat just a bit deeper to make this move more effective. We're basically going to do a side-to-side step here. We're going to step over to the side, tap the mat, step and tap. You should notice that your opposite hand touches the mat towards that opposite toe, and we're going to keep this going. It always falls on you, but you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. All right, y'all, I've got another combo move for you. We're going to do elbow to knee, and then we're going to do a side crunch. Elbow to knee, side crunch on that same side. We're going to keep this going, fully engaging our core muscles for the full 30 seconds, and then we're going to switch to the other side. Let's start by raising those arms and hands over the head, and then when they come back down, they're going to go under the knee. Raising those arms, then hands touch under the knee, engaging that core. This is going to be the theme for the whole workout. We want core engagement throughout this entire workout. Starting in prisoner position here, we are going to do a crunch where we are crossing over to the other side. Crossover crunch, and then that leg goes back in that step back position. We're going to keep this going for the full 30 seconds and then we'll switch. We're going to start by raising the arm up over the head, and then the opposite hand is going to touch the toe. Reaching up, touch the toe. We're going to keep this going with control, keeping a good pace. We definitely don't want to compromise our balance here. We're going to switch after 30 seconds. For this move, we're going to raise our hands up and we're going to bring them down with a double knee lift. Raise them up, double knee lift, tapping our knees as we bring them down, engaging that core also. We have about 39 more seconds left in the workout. Y'all, we've got this. Let's give it our all for this remaining time. Let's push, let's work, let's go. Yes, y'all, we made it. Awesome, amazing work. Definitely go ahead and get a full body stretch in. You're going to need it. You're going to feel it in all those major muscle groups. Definitely show yourself some love. Quick break here to talk about something that's been a total game changer for me lately. If you deal with sore hands from typing, working out, or even arthritis, it's the Bob and Brad hand massager. This little device is like a spa day just for your hands. And yeah, it's as good as it sounds. It's actually become a part of my workout recovery routine. What makes it so different? It uses air compression, not those harsh rollers, so it gently mimics a real massage. There are 8 ergonomic hand cushions inside that target pressure points, boost circulation, and melt away stiffness or numbness. It's amazing for people who have carpal tunnel, arthritis, or anyone who's just overworked. You've got 3 modes to choose from: healthcare, relaxation, and activity, plus 3 intensity levels, so it's fully customizable. And get this, it heats up to a cozy temperature in just 5 seconds. That warmth on the palm and the back of your hand, instantly soothing. It's super quiet, USB-C rechargeable, and only 1.5 pounds, so you can use it anywhere: office, couch, plane, wherever. I've been using it after my workouts and it's legit helped with my hand fatigue. If you're into self-care and looking for a thoughtful gift, the Bob & Brad hand massager is a no-brainer. To get yours, check out the link in the description, and a big thanks to Bob & Brad for supporting the channel and helping us all to recover smarter. In the mood for another workout? Well, we have 2 amazing options below to keep the workout going. Please, please, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future workouts. Thanks so much for working out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.